What's up, guys? Today we're gonna we got this right again. KSM Sprite. We're not checking it this time. This time we're gonna see who can do like the biggest burps and the loudest burps. Yes, a weird video, but it's still a good one to do, and it's gonna be so freaking hilarious. I thought this was cool today because I just thought it'd be funny. And then my next video is gonna be on the solar eclipse. I already have a few clips of those. Like it was heat lightning everywhere, which means it's like a lot of rapid lightning everywhere, but it never touches the ground. But I got a few clips of that. I got it on time lapse, and so it's like, I don't know, it's like a 20-second time lapse. But alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get in this video and see who can do the biggest burp. It's gonna be so weird. One.
Yeah, I think your camera's better. He is magic. Alright,
Is my camera blurry? Frank, it is.
Oh, wait. Yeah. You got the burp.
Wait.
Don't put your feet down.
No. I know what's going on. Oh my god.
I did. Yeah. We see who can bark the loudest. I won that one, bro. That was the first burp. You gotta do one burp. No, that was cheating where you use your voice. I can't believe I did that. He always wins, okay?
Move your feet.
Alright, that's kind of, look. You know how I did the first one? I pinched it up so it could be like all bubbly and crap.
What school you go?
Arnold.
Arnold.
Cause I didn't know where you go to. I went to school.
Put your foot down, bro. See, sorry for the feet that's coming in the video. Alright, he won that one. That was all wet and crap.
Uh-oh.
14.
14.
Bro, now I ain't got no burp.
You're not burping my face. You win. Y'all painting. Cause you gotta pick stuff up over here.
Bro, that thing we had to do in class. Shout out Miss Smith if you even watch my. I'm gonna tell her to watch my YouTube video.
Oh god.
Because I told her I broke into a school. And she didn't believe me at first.
Oh, my shout out. Shout out to Hunter Knowles.
Oliver.
What?
You're disgusting. What?
I'll go to bed.
Wait, Bethel Middle School?
Yep.
What grade you in?
7. That's 12. You ready to play?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or we're about to go play basketball. We're gonna record basketball. Huh?
You by yourself.
You by yourself, bro.
I got you.
He is better than me.
No, that ain't no. Bet.
I say he is better than me, dummy.
Alright,
I'm ending the vlog there. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Can't end the vlog shit. Forgot to say a few things. That's my catchphrase. This is like a little hover. I don't know why I just like saying this. Like, let it hover. Let it hover. I guess. Alright, I'll see you guys later.